In the series of important cybersecurity terms, today's term is authentication. Authentication is the process of verifying the user's identity or device identity to ensure that they are the legitimate one and are authorized to access certain information or systems or devices or files. There are several ways to authenticate any user or device. For example, using a password or PIN. One may use a security token or say a smart card, and another option can be using the biometric factors such as retina scan or fingerprint scan. If we talk about the real time example of authentication, how it happens. So, it can be understood by having the example of a website or app. When we log in into any website or app, you might be asked to provide a username and password. The website then verifies the given username and password, and on successful verification, you are authenticated and granted access to the website or app.